Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making some more last minute DIY boxes using a punch board. So this can easily house, like you can see here, AirPods, the older version, and candles and whatever it is that you basically can put in there. Just the small kind though, like chocolates and stuff. So this is the 1, 2, 3 punch board. I got mine from Michael's. I forgot how much it was, but I definitely used a coupon for this. And this little tool here can actually let you make like boxes, bows, and even envelopes. So today I am going to be concentrating on making boxes just to show you. And as you can see on the left side in here, it gives you instructions like a guide on how to do your project. So since we'll be going to be making a box, I am looking through the pink side in here where it gives me a measurement. So to make a box, you have to cut a square paper. My cardstock I got from Michael's. Those are the paper pads that comes in a pack. So whenever I see something pretty in there, I just always just grab it because I know that I can use it for boxes such as these. So the measurement that I have here is for a 4 by 4 by 3 1/4 size box. So I have to cut my paper to 11 inches square. So I'm following the instructions in there, and it's telling me to line up the paper where it says extra large. You can see in there that I'm lining the pink side where the pink side is, where it says XL. Line it up there and then punch and then make the score line. The other line in there that I'm trying to do on the right side, I'm supposed to be doing it on the large lineup. I messed up that one, but I'm keeping it here so you know exactly my process in here. I'm not afraid to show you my mistakes, but it's an easy fix anyway, so it's okay. So once you're done that, you're gonna flip your paper to the back side and then line it up again where it says extra large and then do the punch. And you'll see that when you're done all this, you're gonna have notches on all sides of your box. So here I am fixing that error that I had. It should be large because it then should line up to the like a V line that you have on there. So everything should be lining up because you're going to be folding that in later on. That is the part where you don't really need a tape for this. You're just going to fold everything, and then you can even reuse this box, or even the recipient of this box can reuse it, because then she can just unfold it, or they can just unfold it and then store it, and then when they're ready again, just assemble it again. So the top part of this little tool here actually gives you a slit right there. So it cuts it, and that would be like for the closure of your box. So now we are ready to fold our box. So wherever you had those lines, you're just gonna fold that in. It's easy if you have like a scoring tool. Well, this machine or this tool actually comes with it. I'm just using my own because I like this one better. And yeah, just so it gives you crisp folding lines there. So that's what I'm doing there. And like I said, this one here doesn't need tape, but of course if you want it to hold its shape, you can definitely use tape in there, but I didn't want to do that. Just so I wanted to open like a surprise box. When it opens up like a flower kind of thing, so it's pretty. So here I am trying to lock that in. It takes a while, but I just didn't want to ruin my paper. That's why I'm taking my time here. But it closes like that. So pretty. I like it. You can put anything in here, like anything that would fit, of course. You can put chocolates, or like you saw in the beginning of the video, there was AirPods, the first generation, I think it was, fit in here. You can do small gifts like chocolates and stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and actually do another box. This one here I was smart enough to do post-it because I want to concentrate on the actual measurements, unlike the first one that I messed up. So here's another paper pad, or cardstock that I got. Like I said, whenever I see something good on Michaels, the paper pads, they're actually reasonably priced, and with the coupons that I have all the time, you can't really go wrong there. So here is that scoring tool that comes with it. Like I said, I just wanted to use mine. And then this punch board has a leg, extender leg, which I like because then, if you have a bigger size of paper, you won't have to worry about the scoring part, which is that. So that one there, we are making the 4 by 4 by 1 and 3/4 this time. So I cut my paper to be 9 inches square, and then I'm lining it up again to the XL mark, and then medium is the diagonal line that I wanted. So I'm making sure to copy all those. To follow all those, which I this is kind of fun for me. I like creating boxes. Like I said, it can house anything in there, like a small toy, a small plush toy, even some earrings if you have, like bracelets, jewelry, whatever you like, really, or whatever small gifts. And this can even be for like a stocking stuffer if you'd like. So yeah, this is I got mine from Michaels, and you can definitely find it in Amazon. I think it's there too. It's just that I like in Michaels is because you have coupons. Michaels has coupons like every day, and sometimes they even have 60% coupons. So use that. All right, so we're gonna fold in this one here, and I'm trying not to fold the other left side in here because I didn't want the crease showing up on the top box. I wanted to close smoothly. So yeah. So like you saw in the beginning of the video, this can house the first generation of the AirPods. I don't know about the newer ones. I think they're actually a bit bigger, but this one fits it perfectly. But of course, I tried it with chocolates first because can't go wrong with chocolates, right? So again, we do the slits, like the cuts that would seal the box off. And then I'm gonna try and close it here. Again, I'm doing it very gently because I don't want any creases to show. But of course, it did. I really wanted the sides there to be really smooth. So on the next box that I'm going to show you again, because I have to try this, I'm going to use a tube of something to curl the flaps first before I fold it in. Because that was really bothering me. So here I'm just putting some chocolates in here. You can see that after putting like 3,516, there's a lot in there. It can actually house it, which is good. But definitely whatever you can fit in here, whatever you have in mind, like jewelry, small toy, cookies even. And then top it off with a gift tag. This one I did in the summer. It doesn't really have to be like a Christmas thing. Really, this 1, 2, 3 punch board you can use for whatever it is that you have, like parties coming up soon, or birthdays, gatherings, souvenirs, even for any celebration. So this is the final box that we're going to be doing, and this is a bit taller box, and as you can see, it houses the like a candle. This one, the candle here that I got is from Costco. Yeah, and so the measurement for this box would turn out to be 4 by 4 by 2.5 inches. So it's quite a tall box, and it can house that candle um, in there. It can house the scented candle in there really nicely. And it's just a gift suggestion in there, but whatever it is that you had in mind for this, definitely go ahead with it. But I am just going to try and make another one here just so you can see that there's a lot of different sizes boxes that you can make. But the biggest size that they have in here, I believe, is just the 4 by 4 by 4, like a cube box. So you can pretty much put a shirt in there, but you have to really fold it really tightly so it can fit in there. But yeah, so now let's go ahead and fold this in. Gently crease the sides in there for the self-closing. Like I said, there's no tape needed for this one here. So fold those in. And then we are going to be putting in I don't know what I put in here again. I forgot. Oh yeah, here you go. This is what I'm going to try. I'm going to try and roll it in like in a tube, just so for when I close it, it actually doesn't ruin the side, like how smooth it's supposed to be, because that was really bothering me. And now if I close this, perfect. Now it's perfect. I like it. So like I said, it measures 4 by 4. I mean 4 by 3.5. It's a tall box, and like you can see there, I tried to put in a plush toy and then some chocolates, and then yeah, it's really cute and fun to do. So I hope you'd give this a try and go visit your. This video is not sponsored at all. It's just that I'd like to share this because this is really a good buy for when you want to create your own. So thank you for watching and staying with me today. I hope you have a very Merry Christmas, and until next time, bye.